welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. I am sorry if it's a little bit noisy. I have my dishwasher going right now, so I'm sorry about the noise, but I just could not wait to show you all of the fall floral picks I picked up at Dollar Tree today. I think I am the most excited about these pumpkin filler picks. I think they're my favorite. On my last bow tutorial, I asked if you knew where I could pick up some tiny petite pumpkins, and some of you said that Dollar Tree already has the pumpkin filler pumpkins out, and sure enough, I stopped by today and they have them. And if you can kind of see, so we have the ones that are kind of a brighter orange, and then if you look right here, this one's a little bit more muted color, so if you're going for more neutrals, they have two choices this year in the pumpkin fillers. And then I was getting ready to check out, and the lady saw me standing here with all these flowers that work there, and she's like, wait, you haven't seen the ones in the boxes. So she showed me a box full of these adorable little pumpkin picks. It just says fall pick. They had different designs with different colored pumpkins, different berries. So I picked up a couple of those. I went ahead and got the same color. I just went ahead, I thought the beads or the berries were pretty in the green and blue, and then the off-white pumpkin. My husband was sitting in the car waiting for me, so I was trying to hurry, so I just got these two. But next time I go back, I'll take more time and dig through the boxes and see what else I can find. But he was with me, so like I said, I thought I did good grabbing this much and making it out without him fussing at me too much. Plus I did have to get Parker and Lucky some dog treats. So let me spread these out and show you the rest. Okay guys, so here's some sunflower picks. Aren't these pretty? I cannot believe these are from Dollar Tree. So pretty. So they have them in the yellow or gold. It just says sunflower on the tag, and they're really a nice size and really pretty shape. And then I also got them in orange. And I really think they had another shade of orange too. Also, I just wanted to mention that when you go in the front door, my store had a display set up with all kinds of beautiful sunflower plates, coffee cups, oven mitts, all that kind of cute stuff set up with the sunflower pattern. So you'll have to check that out and see if your store has it. And then most of the flowers were on a round like rack in the center of the store. So they may not be like in the normal section where you find your fall flowers, even though my store did not have any summer flowers left. They had changed over all to fall. So if you can't find them, look for one of those round racks and see if they have some new fall picks on it. But let me spread the rest out for you. Okay guys, up next I have some beautiful fall leaves. Aren't these pretty for only $1? And on the tag it says grape leaves, but I think these are actually maple leaves. So y'all let me know, are these maple leaves or not? They look like maple leaves to me. I don't know why it says grape leaves, but maybe I'm missing something, I don't know. But I just thought they were pretty. They also had some beautiful cattails and some wheat picks too. I almost got them, but like I said, my husband was waiting in the car, so I tried to hurry. So up next, I got some more beautiful orange flowers. I just love big pretty flowers for fall. So this one is a little bit larger. It says dahlia bush. So they're a little bit smushed, so hopefully they'll fluff up a bit. If you know a technique to maybe make them shaped prettier and get them where they're not so smushed, let me know in the comments section your little secret, please. And here's some dahlias. Thought these were really pretty, and these kind of have like a burlap texture. I don't know if it shows up good on camera or not, but I believe they had these in a few different shades of orange and gold. So this one's kind of, you can kind of tell it's, I don't know if it's considered yellow or orange, but anyways, I thought they'd be pretty together. And then I know this isn't the normal color for fall, but last year I added in some blue in my fall decor, and I really liked the way the blue looked with it. I kind of like blue and orange together, so you'll have to let me know if you do too. But this one right here says peonies, and I tried to find the prettiest shaped one, and this is as good as I could find. So they're still, like I said, a little bit smushed. I think these right here are my favorite. I just love the color of them, and then the shape of them too. There's something a little different. It says hop bush. Aren't those pretty? Let me see if I can separate a little bit so you can see the shape of the flower. I always like something that's a little bit different and stands up a little taller than the other flowers when I'm doing a floral arrangement. So I think these will look perfect in a fall floral arrangement. And they're kind of like a burgundy color. I think maybe they're showing up a little more pink on camera, but they're a real pretty color. And then, let's see, maybe you can kind of tell with them beside the blue, but they're real pretty, and they also come in other colors too. So I picked up this dark, I guess maybe you would call it kind of like mauve or purpley color, but I just love the shape of the flowers. And like I said, it says hop bush, so you'll have to look for some of these. And here's another one that I thought would be very pretty, like in a flower arrangement or on a swag to put in the back, something a little bit more whimsical and taller. And I'm not sure how you say that, but I just like the way the flowers look. They're really just dainty and pretty. And then this bush right here says bittersweet, and I like the little petite flowers on it too, and the colors. I got a couple of those. They're kind of tangled up. And then also I picked up some berries, or actually it says mini pomegranates. Aren't those pretty? So they have them in kind of the bright orange and yellow, kind of red. And then they have them in the darker like wine color also. So I thought these were really pretty too. So I tried getting a variety of different textures and fall colors. I think I spent $30 plus tax. Or maybe it was $30 and some change with tax. I'll have to look at my receipt. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. My daughter is waiting for me. She's wanting to go swimming, so I'm going to go outside and watch her swim. So I hope everyone has a fun and safe weekend.